Potato face mask, the secret to a bright and glowing skin. Want radiant, spotless skin without spending on expensive creams? The secret is hiding right in your kitchen, potatoes. Yes, the same potato that makes your fries crispy can also make your skin naturally white and bright. Potatoes are packed with natural bleaching agents, antioxidants, and vitamin C, making them a powerhouse for fading dark spots, reducing pigmentation, and removing tan. Plus, it suits all skin types. 5 magical benefits of potatoes for skin whitening. Instant glow. The antioxidants and vitamin C in potatoes brighten dull, tired skin, leaving it fresh and radiant. Fades. Dark spots and pigmentation. Regular use helps in reducing dark spots, acne scars, and uneven skin tone. Say goodbye to tanning. Potato juice acts as a natural detan remedy, restoring your skin's original glow. Controls oily skin and acne. It absorbs excess oil, preventing acne breakouts while keeping the skin balanced. Shrinks pores and smoothens skin. It tightens open pores, giving your skin a flawless, smooth texture. 3. Best DIY potato face masks for glowing skin. 1. Instant brightening mask. Grate a potato and extract its juice. Apply it with a cotton ball on your face and leave it for 10 minutes. Feel the instant freshness. 2. Potato and lemon glow pack. Mix potato juice with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply for 15 minutes and rinse off. This mask fights dark spots and hyperpigmentation like magic. 3. Potato and yogurt hydrating mask. Mash a potato and mix it with yogurt. Apply for 20 minutes to deeply nourish the skin and get rid of dryness. If you're looking for a natural, chemical-free glow, try a potato face mask today and forget about expensive beauty treatments.